Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing you men term gynecomastia oil review. So you might be wondering what this oil is. Well, this is a topical massage oil marketed towards men, now positioned around firming and toning the appearance of chest skin. Now, the listing here describes it as chest firming oil containing bee venom among its ingredients, intended to improve skin elasticity, help define chest contours, and reduce the appearance of sagging skin through massage. Now, worth noting here, directly from the listing itself, the product description focuses entirely on skin firming and appearance, and it doesn't describe any mechanism for addressing glandular breast tissue here, which is what gynecomastia is. So, a distinct medically defined condition involving hormonal or gradual changes. Now, in this case, a topical oil massage into the skin wouldn't be expected to affect much the underlying tissue. So, how do you exactly use this? Now, per the listing here, you just need to massage the oil gently into the chest. Now, in here, it also mentions that it can be used on other areas like the back, legs, abdomen, thighs, and arms until fully absorbed. Now, also before fully using any kind of product out there, it is safer to first do a trial run. So maybe try a small amount into the back of your hand and see if you notice any reaction. Now, if you notice any swelling or any intense reaction on your skin, well, in this case, you may want to avoid this because sometimes people would do have certain allergies on this product. So testing it first is a must. Now, on the pricing here, well, currently it's listed at around, let's just say $10 to $15 or $15 to $30, depending on where you're buying it. Though the specific listing here, they do have some shipping, so you may need to keep that in mind. But depending on where you're buying it, it ranges from $15 to $30, and estimated deliveries are roughly around 1 to 3 weeks, depending on processing and shipping times. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.